something a little bit different today. We're doing some ploughing on some National Trust land. It's not for any agricultural crop, but what they do is it's sort of treated as a nature reserve, and they've got lots of wildflowers that grow here, mainly poppies and corn marigolds, which for anybody in agriculture knows that we've been trying to get rid of stuff like that for years in our crops, but out here people love to come and see the poppies, especially in well, sort of early summer. It's pretty spectacular really. The fields are red with poppies. So what we're doing is sort of plough half of a field, or each field, in the autumn, and leave that sort of over winter, and then in the spring the other half of the field is ploughed, and then it's worked down, and spring barley is planted as a cover crop. All the seeds are naturally sown. Nothing is sown here other than barley. It's for the, well, mainly to sort of protect the wildflowers as they come up, and then obviously the barley is not harvested, and then the birds can feed off the seed barley then that's left over and sheds on the floor. It's not to everyone's taste that they do here. Well, probably from a farming point of view it's not, but certainly from a wildlife point of view it's pretty good what's going on here. And as I say, people love to come out and see it. Apparently there's 154 species of wildflower that grow amongst the barley that's planted here. Reading this off my phone, so I'm not 100% sure, but there's some really rare species as well. Including Weasel, Snout, Venus looking glass, and night flowering catchfly. I'll see if I can find some pictures and maybe add them on the video. I have to admit I wouldn't know what I was looking for if I were to see them. Pretty spectacular views out here. Camera off the mount and just show you the views. Really pretty impressive. When I get to the top of the field, there's some more views out over the other side of the headland. It's a nice place to work on a nice sunny day like it has been today. It was a bit bleak in the winter. It's raining and there's no sun out. This bit of drone footage to show an aerial view of some of the fields. This video was taken in May and the poppies were not fully out then, but it sort of still gives you a bit of an idea of what's going on really, and just show you what's happening. I'll add some links to the end of the video in the description for some of the rare wild plants, and a link to the National Trust page for this block of land, and explains what they're doing. So as we come up to the top of the field, you can see a long way up the North Cornwall coast. This is West Pentire. In the far distance you can see Trevose Head. To the right is Newquay, and nearer is Pentire Headland. And as we sort of like turn around there, you can sort of see down to the left, that's Polyjoke Beach. Shame the sun's gone behind the cloud there. The sun's just about to set and gone behind the cloud. It's a pretty spectacular view. The National Trust and their tenant who I'm doing this ploughing for really tidied it up here over the last few years. They built coins and hung gates and built stone gaps in the hedges and are keeping the couch grass under control. Right, thanks for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. I'll be back with another one soon of some fertiliser spreading. I'll see you soon.